Hi, welcome to Parametric House. In this Paracourse lesson, I want to show you how you can make a parametric prism in Grasshopper using the Kangaroo plugin and defining parametric points so I can change this easily. We're going to define a height. You can also change the curve type to a NURBS. So you can see here I can change this and produce different results. We can also define a series of points and new points. Right click here and set multiple points and then reset, and as you can see here it's going to be 3 points. You can go back to a polyline and simply just move the points. So this tutorial is going to help you to understand how you can use this Kangaroo grab component and combine it with different tools to make this parametric prism in Grasshopper. Okay, let's get started from scratch. So what we want to do is to go to the params menu and pick up the point container and just right click here, set multiple points. For example, I'm going to pick up 5 points here. So what I want to do here is to go to the Kangaroo plugin and use this main solver. And let's just give this to the goals object. Okay, the first thing we have to use here is the grab. And as you can see here, that this lets you drag Kangaroo particles in Rhino viewport, which is really useful. I'm going to give this to the goal object. We also need a button, so I'm going to type BUT, a button, and give it to the reset. And reset this. Remember, if you only give the grab component, it's always going to give you an error. So we have to have another goal which is related to the geometry. What I want to do here is as I move these points around, I don't want to bring them in the Z direction.